Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Steve here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple MacBook Air M2. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to help me out. Now, the MacBook Air M2 was released in July of 2022 and is the sequel to the highly successful brother, the MacBook Air M1, which was released all the way back in November of 2020. The model that I have here is the space gray version, and it's the base model version, which contains 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes SSD hard drive.
There are definitely lots of reviews and benchmark videos out there when it comes to the MacBook Air M2, so be sure to check those out if you get a chance. Along with the MacBook Air M1 and M2, Apple has significantly increased its lineup. This includes the MacBook Pro 13 with M2 and the very recently released MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch, which both can be configured to use the M2 Pro or the M2 Max chips. The MacBook M2 comes with a 5nm 8-core CPU and GPU. The CPU consists of 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. 8 GB of LPDDR5 are included in the base model. Weighing in at 1.24 kilograms with a thickness of 1.13 centimeters, the laptop has a 13.6-inch diagonal liquid retina LED display. It has a native resolution of 2560 by 1664 at 60 Hz, which is a 16 by 10 ratio. The pixel density is 225 pixels per inch and supports HDR10. New to the M2 is the 1080p front-facing camera compared to the 720p front-facing camera of the M1. Touch ID is also available on the keyboard for verification purposes. In terms of ports, you'll only find 2 USB Type-C ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a MagSafe 3 charging port. For connectivity, you have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, which are pretty standard. The battery is a 52.6 watt-hour lithium polymer battery that Apple states will provide up to 18 hours of usage. The base package comes with a 30-watt USB-C charging adapter. At the time of writing, the OS that comes pre-installed with a MacBook is Mac OS Ventura. Also new to the M2 is the range of colors: Midnight Blue, Space Gray, Starlight, and Classic Silver. Finally, the MSRP is $14.99 Canadian for the base model. It's important to note that the 256GB SSD is slower than the 512GB SSD model. In fact, it is slower than the 256GB M1 model as well. Apple decided to use a single 256GB module this time around. In the M1, dual 128GB modules are used. In the 512GB M2, dual 256GB modules are used, which allow data processing in parallel. Based on some benchmarks from The Verge, the base model has an average read and write speed of 1400 megabytes per second and 2260 megabytes per second respectively. The upgraded 512GB model has an average read and write speed of 2800 megabytes per second and 2700 megabytes per second respectively. However, if you are using this laptop for light everyday tasks, then you shouldn't notice too much of a problem.
Without delay, let's get right into the unboxing. So first of all, the boxing itself is very Apple-like. So it has that very premium hard cardboard feel around the box. On the front cover, we have the MacBook Air profile on the side, which is showing off its stunning 1.13 centimeter width or thickness. On the edges, we have the Apple logos on both sides. And finally, on the back, we have the specs of the particular model that you purchased. And again, this is the base model, which has 256GB SSD and 8GB RAM. Now, of course, I don't have scissors because I know Apple doesn't need scissors to open their boxes. We have a little pull tab here. So let's get right into it. Okay. So inside the box, immediately we are presented with the MacBook Air M2. And again, an easy pull tab to bring out the laptop. This is extremely light and already looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna put it on the side so I can show you what's in the box. So maybe I can put this here. So in the box is the charging cable, which uses MagSafe 3. It's a braided cable. It looks pretty long, maybe about 2 meters long. And of course, you have the insert here, which has the instructions. So it says, of course, designed by Apple in California. Inside, it has a couple of things. So it has welcome to the MacBook Air. Tells you about the keyboard, tells you about the screen, and tells you what items there are inside the MacBook, or what comes with it. And these are other languages that it comes with. Basically the instruction manual with multiple languages. Okay, what else is in here? We have 2 Apple stickers, and that's it. There's nothing else in this little package here. Moving on. Now, the model that I got was actually from Asia, and it comes with, I believe, your 30-watt charging adapter, and it comes with a head. So this one here is an Asian, or an adapter from Asia, and I would need to change this head for the North American version. And of course, you just plug that in, and you will be able to plug it in the wall. So that's really all there is actually inside this box. So as you know, Apple is very minimalistic, and this shows in their box. There's really nothing else in here, unless maybe there's something underneath this box. Nope. Okay, so that's all there is. That was a really quick unboxing video. Now let me put this back down. Here's the cable and here's the charger. Let me close this back. Now let's get right onto the MacBook Air. Okay, so here we go. Let's take this off. And for those of you who like the sound, and there we go. So this is the MacBook Air M2 in space gray. And as you can see, it's 1.13 centimeters thick all around the edges. And unlike the MacBook Air M1, it does not have that tapered edge at the front of the MacBook. On the side, we have the MagSafe 3 and 2 USB-C ports with underlying protocol of Thunderbolt 3 or USB 4. On the other side, we have the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and on the back, there is nothing there. So of course, notably missing from this version compared to the MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 is the SD card, which can be used for media. So pulling it open, we have, of course, we have a little screen protector here. I'll just pull that off. All right, so already booted up and ready to go. This is beautiful. We have our keyboard and a very large trackpad, as well as the Touch ID in the top corner. The MacBook looks extremely thin, and I think it lives up to its picture on the front of this box. Extremely thin profile, very light, and the space gray color looks really nice. So I'm putting my fingerprints on the sides, and I actually don't see any fingerprints showing up. Now the midnight blue color does have a fingerprint problem, which I've heard, but this one here, I put in my fingerprints on it and it's actually not showing up on the space gray, in case you were wondering. Now in case also you want to see my previous MacBook, this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch late version, or late 2013, and they look pretty similar, you know. If you look at here, one is classic silver and one is the space gray. They both have a very similar profile, which is that rectangular shape. And from the looks of it, the MacBook Air is thinner and also it's definitely lighter than it, but they are actually quite similar. Now this one here does have an SD port because it is a Pro model, but overall, if you take a look inside, they look quite similar. But of course, the internals have been updated for over 9 years. So, hopefully the specs will be nicer and improved. All right, so that's the end of the unboxing video. Remember, if you wanted to know more about in-depth review of this laptop, the specs, the benchmarks, then check out other people's YouTube videos. There are lots of videos out there on this guy. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one. So I hope you stay safe, and I will see you next time.